get your eToro API key? Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to grab your very own eToro API key so you can start building custom trading tools or integrating market data into your apps. First, head over to the eToro site and log in. If you're not already registered, click Sign Up, see, and create your free account. Just follow the on-screen prompts to verify your email, and then complete your profile by giving all your information. That's so easy, you can complete within a minute. Now find your API, visit eToro developer portal at apiportal.etoro.com. Once you're logged in, look for Explore API in the top menu. This is where you manage all your API access. Next, click Select API, and then search or click Trading. After you submit your request, scroll down, and you'll instantly see your API. Finally, pop open your code editor, set your environment variables or configuration file with your new API credentials, and you're ready to start calling eToro's endpoints for live data and trades. Thanks for watching.